5 men, 3 women and 8 boys share rupees 580 between them. Each man gets twice what each boy gets, and each man gets what a boy and a woman together. How much does each man gets? 5 men, 3 women and 8 boys. 5 men, 3 women and 8 boys are getting 320 rupees, getting 580 rupees. Are getting 580 rupees. Now one woman is equal to 2 boy. One woman is equal to 2 boys, and man is equal to 1 woman plus 1 boy. So 2b plus b. So 2b plus b is equal to 3 boys. So total has become 3 boys. So 5 into 3b plus 3 into 3b plus 8b is equal to 580. So 5 into 3, 15b plus 3 into 2, 6b plus 8b is equal to 580. So 1b is equal to 580 by 29. That is 20 rupees. So boy is getting 20 rupees. So boy is getting 20 rupees. We have to find out each man. Each man. So man is W plus woman. So that is 3B. 3 into 20. Rupees 60. So answer is rupees 60. The total number of undergraduate students in a college is 270. If 2/3 of the number of students in the science stream is the same as 3/4 of the number of students in the arts stream and 3/5 in the commerce, how many are the science students? So write down. Total number of undergraduate students in a college is 270. If 2/3 of the number of students in the science stream is the same as that of number of students in the arts stream, so 2/5 of science is equal to 2/5 of science is equal to 3/4 of arts. 2/5 of science is equal to 3/4 of arts. This is 2s by 5 is equal to 3 by 4. You can write 2/3 of the number of students. So 2s by 3 is equal to 3a by 4. You can write down like this. So if you cross multiply, you will get 9a is equal to 8s. If you cross multiply, you will get 9a is equal to 8s. Or 8 by a is equal to 9 by s, or 8 by a. 8 by a, s is equal to n by 8. Or you can write down like this. 9a is equal to 8s. S by a is equal to 9 by 8, or you can write it as 9:8. In the ratio form, you can write it as 9:8. Again, Again, 2/3 of science is equal to 3/5 of commerce. 3/5 of commerce. So 2s by 3 is equal to 3c by 5. 10s is equal to 9c. S by c is equal to 9 by 10. S by c is equal to 9 by 10. This you can write it as 9:10. A is to B, 8 is to 9. This is 9:10. Whenever situation comes like this, we have to find out the compound ratio. So 72, 81, 90. So 9 into 8, 9 into 9, 9 into 10. So 8:9:10. Therefore, number of students in the science stream. Therefore, number of students in the science stream is equal to 270 into 9 by 27, that is 90. So answer is 90, that is multiple choice C. By mistake, instead of dividing rupees 117 between A, B and C in the proportion of half, 1/3 and 1/4, it was divided in the proportion of 2:3:4. Who gains the most and by what amount? By mistake, it is half is to 1/3 is to 1/4. Half is to 1/3 is to 1/4. 6:4:3. 3:4. In the second case, what is happening? 2:3:4. In the second case, the ratio is 2:3:4. Second case, ratio is 2:3:4. Two by 9, 3 by 9, 4 by 9. So A will get 117 into 2 by 9. A will get 26. 39. 52. Therefore, C's gain is equal to 52 minus 27. That is 25. So answer is 25. That is multiple choice D, rupees 25. Question number 52. The ratio of incomes of A and B and also that of B and C are in as 3:2. If a third of B's income means 1/3 of A's income exceeds 1/4 of C's income by ₹1,000, what is B's income? The ratio of incomes of A and B and also between B and C are in the ratio of 3:2. So 3 persons are there, A, B, C. A is to B is 3:2. B is to C is also 3:2. This is 9:6:4. That means 9x, 6x, 4x. Now they are telling third of A's income, that is 1/3 of A. 1/3 of A is 3x. A's income is 9x. 1/3 will be 3x. A's income exceeds 1/4 of C's income. C's income is 4x. 1/4, that is x. By rupees 1000. By rupees 1000. So 2x is equal to 1000. That means x is equal to 500. That means x is equal to 500. Now we have to find out B's income. B's income is 6x. X value is 500. 6 into 500, 3000. So answer is 3000. That is multiple choice C. I will tell once again. The ratio of incomes of A and B and also those of B and C are in the ratio as 3:2. So A is to B 3:2, B is to C is also 3:2. Whenever situation comes like this, we have to find out the compound ratio. You know how to find out the compound ratio. We have done so many problems previously. So 9:6:4. That means 9x, 6x, 4x. Now the question says 1/3 of A's income exceeds 1/4 of C's income by 1000. 1/4 of A's income exceeds 1/4 of C's income by 1000. 1/4 of 9x is 3x. 1/4 of 4x is x. Exceed, that means difference. So 3x minus x is equal to 1000. X is equal to 500. In this problem, we have to find out B's income. B's income is 6x, x value is 500, 6 into 5, 3000. So the final answer is 3000. Therefore, answer is C. In a class, there are some boys and girls. If 15 girls are taken out, the ratio of boys and girls becomes 2:1. Then if 40 boys are taken out, the ratio becomes 2:5. The number of girls at the beginning was. Boys you take it as x, girls you take it as y. Boys you take it as x, girls you take it as y. So x by y minus 15 is equal to 2 by 1. And x minus 40 by y minus 15 is equal to 2 by 5. Boys we are taking it as x, girls we are taking it as y. 15 girls are taken out. So x by y minus 15, then the ratio becomes 2:1. 2:1, you can write it in the fraction form 2 by 1. If 40 boys are taken out, x minus 40 by y by 15 is equal to 2 by 5. So x is equal to 2y minus 30 and 5x minus 200 is equal to 2y minus 30 is equal to 2y minus 30. So this you can write it as x is equal to 2y minus 30. X is equal to 2y minus 30. 5x minus 2y. 5x minus 2y minus 30. This is also 2y minus 30. 5x minus 200. 5x minus 200. 5x minus 200 is equal to 2y minus 30. X minus 2y is equal to 30. 5x minus 2y is equal to 170. Is equal to 170. Y minus 30. Now minus plus minus. minus 4x is equal to minus 200. Therefore, x value comes to 50. Therefore, x value comes to 50. Now, what we have to find out? The number of girls at the beginning. We have to find out number of girls at the beginning. At the beginning, how many girls were there? 2y minus 15. At the beginning, 2y minus 15. So, x is 50. When x is 50, y will be how much we have to see. So, 50 is equal to 2y minus 30. So, 2y is equal to 80. Y will comes to 40. Y comes to 40. So, at the beginning, 40 girls are there. I will explain once again. In a class, there are some boys and girls. If 15 girls are taken out, the ratio of boys and girls becomes 2:1. Then, if 40 boys are taken out, the ratio becomes 2:5. The number of girls at the beginning was, boys you take it as x, girls you take it as y. 15 girls are taken out. So, boys no change. So, y minus 15 is equal to 1. 40 boys are taken out. Girls are 15 is equal to 2 minus 5. Now, if you simplify this, you cross multiply. That is 2x is equal to 2y minus 30, 5x minus 2y. All this final answer comes to 40. So, answer is 40, that is multiple choice B. In a group of cows and hens, the number of legs are 14 more than twice the number of heads. The number of cows in the group is, we have to find out number of cows. Cows you take it as x and hens you take it as y. Cows you take it as x, hens you take it as y. Cows is equal to heads, hens is equal to y. So, number of heads is equal to number of heads. Number of heads is equal to x plus y. Number of legs is equal to 4x plus 2. 4x plus 2y. So, 4x plus 2y is equal to 2 into x plus y plus 14. So, 2x is equal to 14. Therefore, x value comes to 7. 2x is equal to 14. X value comes to 7. So, answer is 7, that is multiple choice B.